2026 will never be the same after this. Not because of one invention, but because AI is learning how to act on its own. Hey, JT here from Tech Wonders with episode 2 of my See the Future series. Today, we're talking about Agentic AI. This is not a typical chatbot or an assistant. These AI agents are autonomous, proactive, and self-directed. Let's jump in.
This is Agentic AI, and it's arguably the most important technology shift happening in our lifetime. So, what exactly is Agentic AI? Unlike the AI systems we're used to, which just sit there waiting for us to give them a command, Agentic AI can set its own goals, create a plan to achieve them, and then execute all the necessary steps completely independently. Traditional AI waits for instructions. Agentic AI sets goals, breaks them into steps, and coordinates tools to complete them. It's the difference between asking for directions and having a self-driving car take you there. These new AI agents are designed to be digital workers. They can manage complex workflows, coordinate different software tools, analyze massive amounts of data, schedule tasks for a whole team, and even identify and fix problems all without a human needing to step in. They're graduating from being simple assistants to becoming autonomous co-workers. Mark my words, by the end of 2026, you'll see Agentic AI everywhere. Customer support that resolves issues end-to-end, AI scheduling meetings, ordering parts, and managing logistics, remote diagnostics that detect failures and dispatch repairs automatically. Entire business functions run by AI agents. Imagine customer support systems that don't just answer questions but solve your entire issue from start to finish. From diagnosis to shipping a replacement part, think about AI that schedules your meetings, automatically orders supplies when they run low, and manages complex logistics for a global company without a single person overseeing it. We'll see remote diagnostics in factories that detect a machine failure and dispatch a repair technician before a human even knows something is wrong. We are on the verge of entire business functions being run by teams of autonomous AI agents. Now, why are the biggest companies in the world racing to adopt this technology? The reason is brutally simple. An AI agent doesn't get tired. It never forgets a step in a process. It works 24/7, and most importantly, it can scale almost instantly. One well-designed AI agent could potentially replace dozens of manual, repetitive workflows. And when you get hundreds or thousands of these agents working together in a coordinated network, the increase in productivity is not just linear. It's exponential. But let's be real, this level of autonomy also brings some serious risks and challenges. How do we ensure we can understand why an AI made a certain decision? That's the problem of transparency. How do we guarantee that its goals will always be aligned with human values and safety? That's the alignment problem, and it's more critical than ever before. This is exactly why the next 2 years are so crucial. The foundational rules, the ethical guidelines, and the safety protocols for how Agentic AI will operate in our world are being written as we speak. For those of you in the workforce, this isn't a signal that humans are about to become irrelevant, but it is a massive signal that we need to adapt. The most valuable skills of the near future will be about working alongside these autonomous systems, managing them, and directing them towards creative and strategic goals that only humans can set. For businesses, embracing this shift could be the difference between scaling to new heights and being left hopelessly behind. And for creators, for storytellers, for educators. People are curious, a little nervous, and incredibly hungry to understand what's happening, how this technology actually works, and what they need to do to prepare for in this new reality.
This is only episode 2 of our See the Future series. We're just starting to scratch the surface. Next episode, we're going to take a look at quantum computing. You don't want to miss this one. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Remember, see the future, understand it, and use it, or you'll be left behind. Thanks for watching.